Hello, good morning to everyone. If it is your morning, we're gonna check out some lights today, and it is gonna be an Olight. This is the new Olight Oclip Pro. This is an awesome product. I had the original. This is I wouldn't say a replacement, but it certainly has more functions than the original. So this is a quick look over just the box. Once again, I want to say that Olight does a very good job with their packaging. Uh, their color of the product displayed on the box is really exactly that of the product. So also the contents are really good. Let's open it up. I've already done that. Inside you'll see yellow pull tab, so you can pull that out. Okay. Now we'll just look at this side. Inside you'll get the original, the usual stuff, a user guide and everything. User manual, okay, and a USB. So inside you'll get a USB-C. Okay, not a magnetic, but a USB-C, because this is not magnetic charging. So this one, I show you the box. Let's look at the product. Okay. Okay. I'll give you the specs down below in the description, but I just want to show that this is nearly double the power of the original Oclip. So let's bring in the younger brother, if you want to call it that. Okay. Now the first thing you can notice is the size. There is a noticeable size difference. Okay. And a weight difference as well. Okay. The color is a little bit different too. If you look at the new Olight, you can tell the color is a little bit more saturated. Okay. From the side. Okay. Okay. The back. Okay, now what improvements have they made over this one? Okay, let me show you. The first thing I think is the charging port. This is plastic, or rubber, excuse me. This is USB-C, fortunately, but this is the only weak point I see in this design, is that after a certain while, it might take a while, but it will someday fall off. So that's just a small thing. But they didn't want to make it complicated. This is a simple, easy to use flashlight, and there's nothing wrong with it at all. And I'm going to keep it, and I think it's an awesome product. I don't think Oclip Pro is a direct replacement for it. Okay, so the functions are a little bit different. Okay, now this has white and red LEDs. This has white and red LEDs as well, but it's a little bit more complicated than this. Let me just show you. Okay, now this has two different kinds of white LEDs. You can have just a normal spread like you do with Olight Baton 4. Okay, this will give you a general light beam pattern. It's like a flood. Okay, so you can have a flood option, or you can have a spotlight function like the Olight Turbo. So they kind of mix these functions, all of them together, and put them in one piece. So if you look closely here, you see that the first one is going to be flood. Okay, so that's going to be like the Baton 4. Okay, the second one's going to be a spotlight, so that's going to be like the Baton Turbo. Last one is going to be red. Okay, so that is going to be similar to the Oclip. Okay, so it's a nice looking light. I kind of like the weight now, but it does take some time to get used to. Like I said, these aren't replacement products. They can be used together. They're both good. I mean, you'll be happy with both of them. Okay, I like how they have a better and stronger charging port, because this was one of the weaknesses of the original one. That's good. They have that as well. Okay, so then you have these choices here. I usually, when I use these, what I do is I clip them onto my jacket, so when I'm walking, I don't have to hold a flashlight to see the way. So that's how I use these, and they're really useful and they're good gifts to give to people. So this is very, really quick comparison and talk about the Olight Oclip Pro. The specs in the description below. Okay. But this is a nice color, OD green. They also have orange. Orange is good. I'm not an orange fan, but it's high vis, so there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you watched in its entirety, please like, subscribe. Okay. All right. Everyone have a good day, and thanks for watching.